Hi, welcome to the Geeks Analytics page. My name is Rahul Parekh, and today we will going to discuss how to install Alteryx. Now, you have to visit to this website www.alteryx.com, and then you have to click on this Start Free Trial. So this video I am shooting in July 2026. The UI changes frequently, so take care of that. So first of all, you have to click on the Start Free Trial. Once you click on the Start Free Trial, there are two options to install the Alteryx. Now, number one is by providing the business email. Business email means your office email. So, for example, Rahul Parekh at the rate tcs.com, right? So, if you have these kind of official emails, then you can put the email ID and then you can select your country, your phone number, I'm not robot, and submit it. And then you will get a download option. If you do not have any business email, then what you have to do is you have to click on the need an academic license, right? So, start here. So, click on start here. Now, like let's quickly look over. So, learners start learning. Click on start learning. Then let's say what it asks. So, click on student sign up. Once you click on student sign up, it says sign up now. Yeah. So, name of college and university, your first legal name, your legal last name, birth date, and university email ID. And this is mandatory. So, if you are a college student or if you are a teacher working in any college or you have a college email ID, for example, Rahul Parekh at the rate itmuniversity.com, right? So, these kind of email ID are known as university email ID. If you have one, so paste it over here, right, give your mobile number, and then you can verify your student status. Ideally, you must have the university email ID. So these are the two ways where you can install the free Alteryx and you can work for it. I am working with the help of my business email ID, so I can use for free for around 30 days. After that, I need to either change the email ID or I need to learn within the 30 days time period. Yeah, this is the way you can install the Alteryx in your system. Thank you.